Hi, Matthew Sauer with Canadian Energy, and I'm going to walk you through how to series batteries together. Now, if you are wondering why you would series batteries together, well, that's going to increase voltage. Typically, we see more series connections when we have 6-volt deep cycle product in RVs. If you need to get to 12 volt, RVs typically are 12 volts, so you need to series two 6 volts together. On the odd occasion, you will see a 24 volt system. So you can series either 4 6 volts together or 2 12 volts together. And it's, again, fairly straightforward. You're on a series connection, you're going positive to negative, or think of train tracks, you're going to go across the tracks. So when you're getting ready to series your batteries together, have your positives all down one line and your negatives all down one line. And you're just going to take your cable, go from positive to negative. You don't have to worry about any sparks or anything like that. It's perfectly safe. Again, positive to negative. And positive to negative. So what we've done in this chain of 4 12 volts is take one 12 volt battery and create a 48 volt battery block. And then what you're left with is your main positive terminal and your main negative terminal. What you're going to want to do with these is attach all your loads, so chargers, and again any discharge load. So you'll never put anything on these terminals that are part of the series connections. You're always going to want to focus on your main positive and your main negative. If you need more information regarding series connections, go to cdenergy.com.